So back to my channel. I'm finally doing a room tour. I cannot believe that I'm saying this. I've been meaning to do one, but never mind, we are doing it now and that's what matters. So yeah, I will try to link as many products as I can find, and I can link. I will do that in the description box. So do check that out. I hope you guys like this video and I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, like I was saying, that this is what my mirror looks like. It's like proper for me. If you're someone who is taller, maybe it might not work for you, but for me it works just fine. So the next thing that I have is this 3-door wardrobe. Now I just want to tell you all that the wardrobe and the bed and even this I got made from this local furniture guy. So I kinda didn't want to show you all how my wardrobe looks like, because if I open this one, everything is gonna come down. These are just too cluttery to be shown, so maybe in some other video I will show you all how they look from the inside when they're actually shown worthy. Is that even a word? Yeah, so like I was saying, that all these are made by this furniture guy in Ghatkopar. If you look from distance, all of this looks super aesthetic and it looks similar to IKEA, because that's the reference that we gave that guy, and we got it made for like half the price, which is crazy. But there's a drawback to that also. Yeah, so like I was saying, all of this, it's very unfinished and it doesn't look great at all. If you all want to use all of this for like shorter duration, then go for it, because even I don't want to use all of this for many years, so I just got it made. On top, I have these two I got from Crawford Market. I've just kept all my extra clothes in there, and then these two are from mrdiy, and that's just my makeup bag that my sister gifted me. There's like this leaf thingy as well. My mom got it for me from Jaipur, so I've just hung it like that. Now comes my bed. A lot of you all asked me about this comforter. It's from West Side, and see, it has like print on one side and it's like baby pinkish on the other side, so I can use it both ways, which I love. And I love this thing about this one. And I have one more which is in white, which is like the basic one from IKEA, but currently I'm using this one. Next is this setup that I've done. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you all that this and that one is from mrdiy. I got it in their sale. This is from Hamleys. Someone gifted it to me and I love it. I haven't named this thing anything as of yet. It's an owl which is pink in color, which is so me. But like, yeah, name suggestions in the comment section down below, please. This is from Crawford Market. And guess at what price I got this. People who are from Instagram know this already, but I got it for 100 rupees. Can you imagine? It's so pretty. It's just my vibe, and I instantly saw it and got it. And for so cheap, I can't imagine. And this is like a set that came in. I got the bedding from West Side only, and I'm just using the pillow cover as of now, and it's coming out. Wait, I'll fix it. Now these are my favorite white curtains, again from IKEA, but look at them. They were a bit too long, so I gave them to my local tailor and he sort of like cut and stitch it. These make my room so much better. Like, just look. It looks so pretty, so minimal, so nice. So now I'm gonna show you all like my favorite part of my room. Like, these two areas are literally so good and I just love them. These are just like my two favorite babies in my room. We have this chest drawer situation. These are 4 drawers. In this one, I've kept all my gym wear. I'm gonna give you all a sneak peek into it. And then this one has my skincare, my makeup. This one also has like my hair, appliances and my makeup and all of that. And the last one just has my bedding and my throw, which I never used. And this one, I don't have space to keep it, but like, yeah, that throw I never ended up using. I got it from IKEA. It's like this rosy pink, muted minimal pink, but I never used it. Okay, coming to this area again, I love it. I am obsessed. I recently put this cute Christmas tree that I got from Hill Road. This candle, I don't remember, some small business sent to me long back, but I still have it. It sort of has cracks now. This is from Country Bean, and this mirror is from an Instagram page called Staple East. I am obsessed. I wish I was tall enough to actually use this mirror, but Then I have these tulips. These are fake white tulips that I got from Mr. DIY. Then this one from IKEA. Then I also put this cute crystal ball. I got it from Hildur again. It has a mushroom. It looks off, but I like it. I wanted to make my room a bit like Christmas-like. Then I had this candle I got in a PR, and then a few books, and then I got a lot of perfumes from Zara recently. So these are two of my favorite floral scents from Zara. I really liked this box, so I just kept it. It was going with the whole vibe. So that's like my favorite, one of my favorite parts of my room. So we are almost done, and the last area of my room that's left is my desk. I love it from the bottom of my heart, but a little disclaimer here. So I have been living in this setup for so long, and I'm planning to change the way my desk looks, and I am gonna do a desk makeover. I already almost have the things that I needed. It still looks like really pretty. So I'm gonna show you all how my desk looks like. Ta-da! So this is my desk, almost all white. I am in love. Now this chair, which is super cute, super comfy, is from IKEA. This is from IKEA. I love it. It's like the pink, the exact pink that I like, and it's super soft. It has this velvety texture. That is from Mr. DIY. It's like I don't know, some sort of cushion thingy for your chair. It's sort of inconvenient because it doesn't stay, but I still put it because it goes with my aesthetic. This I told you all that I got made from the furniture guy, so he did decent job. But like I was saying, see, it has these things, these lines. I don't know where they came from, and I can't like remove them. If you go to IKEA, if you get their desk, it's gonna be so much better and also expensive. So this is my favorite part of my room. I sort of work here, I sometimes eat here, I do my journaling here, I do my doodling, sketching, everything here. I am planning to do like a makeover. I really don't like this space. It's all empty, so I'm planning to fill this up. In my head, I've already thought of what I want to do where. So yeah, the desk makeover is gonna happen soon. This is from an Instagram store. I will put the name in the description, so check them out. I have a few of these, but I'm only using one at the moment. But it's like this crate that you see on Pinterest all the time. I really wanted to get it, and it's cute. And that is my to-do list. And this is my sort of, I don't know what you call this, bookshelfish. I don't know what is this. Never mind, I got this from Mr. DIY. This was originally a candy holder, but I'm using it to hold everything else. These are my nail pins, hoops, random claw clip. Oh, by the way, I really love these. This is my favorite claw clip. It's a butterfly. I got it from Colaba or Crawford. Actually, Crawford. Yeah. Also, can everyone just ignore how bad my nails look? Just ignore it. Moving on. These are a few of my books. This is my to-do list. I cannot function without my to-do list, and I would highly recommend you all start using like to-do lists. I got these from Amazon. This is another pen stand that I got from IKEA. Those are all my mini perfumes, and this just has like random things that don't look good all over my desk, so I just throw them here. And this is my journal. I used to use it in the start of 2022, but I then stopped using it, but I'll still keep it. It's cute. And then this is same as the one that my side table has, and this is from, I think these flowers are from Mr. DIY, and this is from IKEA. I think I've covered everything. Oh, these drawers. I'm going to show you all briefly how they look like. These are too cluttery, so don't judge me. And this one is like this. Maybe I'm going to do them properly when I do my desk makeover. But see, this is how my desk looks like at the moment. That dustbin is from IKEA again. The very last thing in my room is this mat, and it's from IKEA again. And this is my bathroom. Maybe some other day I'll show you all how it looks like. But yeah, today is not the day when I show you all my bathroom. I can give you all a sneak peek into my balcony. It's so noisy outside, but I have a balcony, and this is how my balcony looks like. Let's go! It was my dream to have a balcony, and now that I have it, I barely even come here. It's cute, it's very nice, and the view is also so cute. So that's like the airport, and I can see flights come and go all the time. And right now I'm filming and there's like no flight coming and going. That's so mean. And that's my pool. I'm just gonna flex that my building has a pool. Hi, so like I said, I'm gonna show you all how my room looks like in the night. So let's go. Surely not so clean. I've just put my laptop, but yeah, this is the vibe. This is my lamp from IKEA. I absolutely love like how dreamy it makes my room look like. But But yeah, also I'm holding clothes so you don't have to see it. But I just randomly threw them here. So yeah, that's my room's vibe at the night. I am yet to put like some dreamy lights. Genuinely think my room can use some nice vibey lights, maybe a sunset lamp. Yeah, so maybe I'll buy that, or someone can be good enough to give that to me. But yeah, that's how my room looks like at the night. So that was it for my room tour. See, I am very late to this room tour because I have been living in this setup for 6 months now and I really need a change. I will do that change maybe in the coming year. I have to add a few things. A few frames are gonna go up here. The desk is gonna be given a makeover that I've already told you all. And yeah, that's it. Now that's my room. You all wanted to see it. You all have seen it. And yeah, this is literally my dream room sort of a thing because I have never had my own room, and now that I have one, it's so good. It's like my Pinterest board. I have literally seen such rooms on Pinterest, and now that I finally have it, I still cannot believe this room is my comfort space and I absolutely love it. I'm so grateful that I have this room. Like, I've built it from scratch. So much has gone into the room. I really hope you all like, share, do whatever jazz all of that is. And yeah, bye.